Recovered a C20 document from an old Mac or PC and need to read its contents? This is a vintage ClarisWorks 2.0 document from the early 1990s. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these legacy ClarisWorks files. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware, I've kept the most effective C2.0 file solution for the tough cases near the end. A C2.0 file is a document created by ClarisWorks 2.0, an integrated office suite for Apple Macintosh and Windows. Users typically encounter this legacy format when trying to access old documents, such as word processing files or spreadsheets created in the early 1990s before the software was renamed AppleWorks. The C2.0 format is a proprietary binary container designed to hold various types of content, text, graphics, spreadsheet data, within a single file. Its structure was optimized for the ClarisWorks integrated environment, allowing seamless embedding of different objects, a feature that predated similar capabilities in competing office suites. AppleWorks, engineered by Apple Inc., is the application of choice for C2.0. Metadata editing, crucial for this file, requires a specific application beyond standard Windows viewers. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. We are performing a vital system software check. Right-click your C2.0 file and choose Open With. Test with AppleWorks first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple software switch. Before you download the universal fix, know what you're fixing. Here is a breakdown of the typical technical issues causing your C2.0 problem. First, opening with AppleWorks. AppleWorks, the renamed successor to ClarisWorks, can open C20 documents on classic Mac systems or Windows. Install AppleWorks 6 if available and use File then. Open to load the C20 file. AppleWorks reads the legacy ClarisWorks 2.0 format, preserving content for review and conversion. Next, converting with LibreOffice. LibreOffice includes filters that may read older ClarisWorks documents. Open LibreOffice and use File. Then open selecting your C20 file with All Files filter. If recognized, LibreOffice imports the content as a writer or calc document. Save in modern formats like ODT or DOCX for ongoing use. Finally, using file conversion services. Online file conversion services and specialized tools can sometimes process C20 files extracting text and basic formatting. Upload the file to services that support legacy formats. While complex layouts may not survive conversion, the textual content can typically be recovered for use in modern applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.